Welcome back. Spectrum Health is making a change in the name of inclusion, converting hundreds of bathrooms to be gender neutral. Dr. Daryl Elmucci joined me earlier on the conversation to talk about it.
So go ahead and tell me about this change. Tell me about these 300 restrooms that are being converted.
Sure. So at Spectrum Health, we have a number of what we call IRGs, or Inclusion Resource Groups, which are really groups of our employees that come together for specific purposes around our culture and around advancing different things. And I happen to be the executive chairperson of the Healthy Pride Group, which is a group of LGBTQ and ally employees. And one of the biggest things that we looked at is how can we make our environment more inclusive for everyone, and changing signage of bathrooms was high on the list. And so we now have, we're in the process of rolling out 300 gender-affirming signs on single-stall bathrooms, which we're very proud of.
This goes beyond just restroom signs, though, doesn't it? What else goes into it? What other kind of message does this send?
Absolutely, absolutely. At the end of the day, it tells our employees, it tells our community, it tells our patients that we care, that we are listening, and that we are an open organization for everyone who needs our services.
Isn't it surprising how even something that seems like something so small, something minor, it has a huge impact? This really does send that message of inclusion.
Yeah, you know, I've learned so much being a part of this IRG and really hearing the stories of just how important a bathroom sign can be to someone, to make them feel that it's a safe space, that we care. Really opened my eyes, and I'm hoping this opens so many more eyes in our organization.
And what kind of message does this send then to other companies in West Michigan? I mean, you are one of the largest employers here.
Yeah, we actually are the largest employer in West Michigan, and my hope is that many other employers who haven't already done this, of which there are many, will follow suit.
Yeah, you know, obviously when we talk about health, mental health is such a huge part of it, and this could really have an impact.
Yeah, actually, there was a study published not that long ago that showed that for people who feel uncomfortable using a certain restroom, that there's an increased risk of depression, increased risk of suicidality even, and that while this obviously is not going to fix everything for folks, just something as simple as this can really have a mental health impact and lift someone's day.